Hey friends, it is Matthew of Mr. Domestic in partnership with Michaels to show you how to make an easy decorative tote using the Siser Heat Press. I made one right here with some pastel lighter colors, no sparkle, and then the one that I'm going to demo in this video, I use maximum sparkle. I use the holographic, and it is so next level. And that's what I wanted to show you about this project, is that you really honestly don't always have to have a project that is extra in order for the end result to be next level. So stick around with me. I can't wait to share this project with you, because really, you got your heat and press, you got your vinyl, you got your tote, you can have a project done in an hour, and no one else has that. I'm the only one that has it. Well, my daughter Helena is gonna have it when I'm done with this video. But if you're ready to learn this easy peasy project, good for any time of the year, then stick with me. So I bought one of these done totes that I got from Michaels. They have all these different colors. It was perfect. And now I'm going to align the base layer of this vinyl situation onto the bag. I'm just matching up these 2 points right here instead of having to measure to get it perfect. And now I'm just going to place this in the Siser Heat Press and remove the film. And then we can add all the other layers. So exciting. So now before I attach it, sorry for the reflection, but I'm going to use some heat resistant tape that they have at Michaels. And it's really awesome. It makes all the difference for real. Better align it. Now that it's centered, I don't have to use a lot. It's just enough for me to move it from here to here. Okay, now that everything's in place, I'm going to do this in 2 steps just because it's a bigger surface. Make sure this is good. Now I'm going to place this first half here and then press down. And then I'm going to let the timer go for the first 7-8 seconds. And then I'll do the other half. Boom. And with this vinyl, it's the Siser vinyl, it comes with a protective coating. If not, you can use parchment paper. It works just as good. Here we go. And now we get to see the magic. This is so cool. It's so cool. Okay, slowly. Ooh. Now, the amount of time that I put it in there is not enough time to set it and forget it forever, but it's enough time to put that first layer on there so that you can start layering up. Okay, that holographic situation doesn't film right, but it's absolutely fabulous. So before I put the first egg on, I've got to weed out the circles, which is super fun. There we go. And just so you know, with this kind, I did have a situation where it wasn't working out because I was cutting it using the cutting machine on their iron-on setting, and it wasn't getting through this holographic vinyl. So I switched to the next thicker setting, and it cut like a charm. It was no problem. So that's a workaround if you experience it and you're having trouble weeding it, which weeding is like taking this off, then try it again with a thicker setting. So now I'm going to use this with the covering on it and match it up with the bottom aligned here, and then to where it's covering up all of the bottom layer. Ta-da! There we go. And now this is where parchment paper comes in. So now it's the next layer, and this is going to be done layer by layer, and you just keep adding it to the Siser until you're all done, and then one last set it and forget it, and then we're good, and we have a tote that is really awesome that we can take with us everywhere. So now for this final layer, I taped everything and put it on there just to minimize the number of times that I was putting heat on it. And I am going to place it in the Siser Heat Press and use the parchment paper on here for the final press. And I'm going to do it twice because this is the set it and forget it situation that after this we are done and have the tote of all totes ever invented in the history of totes. So now you can make this tote really, it came out a lot better than even I thought it was going to be. And it really blows my mind every time that I play with the Siser Heat Press, because this looks store-bought. This doesn't look like something that I made that's crafty at home. And then, if you want some extra zhuzh next level, you can make it high-end, sparkle-tastic. And I cannot wait to gift this to my daughter whenever I am done with this video. She is going to scream with joy. I just know it. And I can't wait to see all of you have the same type of reaction whenever you try this project in the comfort of your own homes. So if you enjoyed this video, this collaboration with Michaels, this project, me, make sure to thumbs up, subscribe, like that. I won't see it, but still do that. And everyone, stay safe, keep it positive, and Mr. Domestic out.